Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is trace the sky, grass and root letters. These are four lines. These are four lines and there are three rows. The color of first row is blue. The color of first row is blue. The color of second row is green. The color of second row is green. The color of third row is brown. The color of third row is brown. What do these colors represent? Blue color represents sky. Blue color represents sky. नीला रंग आसमान को जाहिर करता है. Green color represent grass. Green color represent grass. सबज रंग घास को जाहिर करता है. Brown color represent root. Brown color represent root. भूरा रंग जड़ों को जाहिर करता है. So dear student, the letter that occupy the space of sky are called sky letters. These letters are called sky letters. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. These letters are called sky letters. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. These letters are called grass letters. These letters are called grass letters. The letter which occupy the space of root are called root letter. G, A, J, P, Q, Y. These letters are called root letters. These letters are called root letters. I hope you understand this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.